In this video, I'm going to show you a few useful shortcuts in the FTCSim World Builder. For example, if I have an object selected, I can of course switch between the Move tool, the Rotate tool, and the Scale tool just by clicking these buttons in the top left. But I can also use W, E, R, and T to switch between the tools through my keyboard, which is just a lot faster. If I look at the Edit menu, I can see there's various actions such as duplicate, delete, undo, and redo, but it also shows all the shortcuts on the right side here. Then there's the Focus option, which I use a lot. In case I have an object selected, but I'm looking elsewhere, I can hit the F key to zoom back to my object. Now, after I have changed something in my scene, I of course also always have to save those changes, and I can do that by hitting this button, but I can also use Control S, which again is just a bit easier.